I'm attorney Ahmad Yakzan from the American Dream Law Office. Recently, there has been a lot of calls into the office about orders of supervisions with ICE. The coronavirus has really complicated life for people with those kind of orders of supervision with immigration and customs enforcement. On the one hand, the offices are closed, but these people are still having to go and report to ICE on their reporting dates. So I thought about making this video to explain what orders of supervisions are and what it is that you can actually do if you have one of those, and if you have any relief from removal, where you should apply for it. Where you should apply for relief really depends on what kind of order of supervision that you have and when was it issued. If it was issued before or after the removal proceedings against you were actually started. In this video, I'm going to answer several questions regarding these orders of supervision. So the first question is, what is an order of supervision? An order of supervision is like sort of parole. When it comes to criminal courts, you have to come in and report to ICE because they have reason to believe that you're actually deportable from the United States, and you have to put together your plans to leave the United States because of that order of removal. So every single time you have to go and report to immigration, you have to go and speak to the ICE officer on that date, and they either give you an extension or you show them why you cannot leave the country. The next question would be, if you have an order of removal, what should you do? This answer is really simple. You should call an immigration attorney if you don't have one already. They should go with you to report. That's number one. And number two, they can actually tell you if you have any sort of relief from removal proceedings that you can actually use to stop from being removed from the United States. So for example, I'm representing someone from Cuba right now. Because of the COVID-19, he cannot really leave the country, and he's in a high risk group because of his age, so he cannot leave. What we did is apply to reopen the removal proceedings, which are the basis for the order removal to start with. So if that motion to reopen and a motion for a stay with the immigration court is given, then you don't have to go report to ICE, and we will see if the order of supervision can actually be dissolved. The next question is, should I or can I apply for a stay of removal? Like I mentioned earlier, you can. It really depends on where in the process you are. So if you're in removal proceedings and you already have an order of removal, you have an advantage. You can ask for the stay of removal with the immigration court, and you can also file with immigration for them not to deport you, which is a form I-246. That application will allow immigration to say, okay, we're not going to deport you, we're going to give you some time to get your affairs in order before we actually have to remove you. Maybe you have a health condition that does not allow you to get on an airplane, or you have qualifying relatives in the United States that submitted an immigration petition on your behalf, and now you became eligible to apply for that relief from removal. Then you apply for a stay of removal with ICE. There is a $155 fee for that, and then they will give you a stay of removal from ICE for up to a year. If you do have an order of removal, you can actually ask for a work authorization by filing an I-765 with immigration and submitting a copy of the order of removal with the application to tell the government you can't really leave, you're gonna stay in the country for a long time, so we need to get something that helps you stay in the country, and you have to get a work permit while you're staying in the United States to support yourself. So you can apply for it. They are getting harder to get, but yes, there is an eligibility criteria for people who are under an order of supervision to be able to go to immigration and ask for a work authorization. As I said, I'm attorney Ahmad Yakzan from the American Dream Law Office. Like this video, share it, and you can always call me at 1-888-963-7326. That's 1-888-96-DREAM. We're open 24/7. You can call us, schedule a consultation with me, and I'll be more than happy to speak to you. Thank you very much for your time, and I will see you in the next video.